Hi, to enable and disable auto brightness on your POCO F6, as a first step, we will need to go in the settings and here search for the display and brightness tab. Now select it, and first thing you can do is to adjust your screen brightness by dragging the slider left or right like that. Let's place it somewhere in the middle, and now we got here this option auto brightness. So in my case it is disabled because it's plain like that, and if we tap it so it will light up blue, it would be enabled, which means that the brightness of your display will adjust according to the lighting around you. So if you agree with that, enable this auto brightness. If you want to change the screen brightness manually, just disable it by tapping on the switcher. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.